Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my channel. This is all about ideas signing in. So viewers, how are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. These are very stunning, very beautiful and very classy seashell centerpieces decoration ideas for you guys. So viewers, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are super stunning and top trending and very pretty collection of seashell centerpieces decoration ideas. Always keep supporting my channel. Always keep watching my videos. These are very amazing and very unique and very pretty. And very stunning seashell centerpieces decoration ideas. Thank you for supporting my channel guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. These are very stunning seashell centerpieces decoration ideas. These are very amazing and very classic and very beautiful looks of seashell centerpieces decoration ideas. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. These are most unique and very pretty collection of seashell centerpieces decoration ideas. You can make these seashell centerpieces at home very easily. If you don't know about how to make these type of seashell painting ideas, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on channel. And you also watch DIY tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of seashell centerpieces decoration ideas. Follow for more details. Keep subscribing my channel. Keep watching my videos. These are very beautiful. These are very amazing and very stunning seashell painting ideas for you guys. Take care. Allah Hafiz guys.